Today I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity Pro for image generation. You wouldn't know it to look at it, but you can actually create great images right here from Perplexity Pro. It's not called out anywhere. There's no button anymore. There's nothing that will let you know that you can create images in here. But what you need to do is in your prompt, just say create an image. So I'm just going to make a simple cartoon here of a dog on a bicycle. I am logged in. Put my cursor in here. Create a colorful cartoon image of a dog. So, takes a couple minutes to generate. All right, not bad. As with anything, the more specific you are about what you want, the better your output will be. I'm just trying to show you how to create the images. So I just asked for the least, and I got a pretty good picture. I do find that it's helpful sometimes if I'm still thinking through what it is I want, is to just put in the least and have it just make something up for me. It's easier when you're looking at something to see what's wrong and what you would change than to try to do all that in your head. I'm going to get deeper into image prompts in another video, but basically you want to be as specific, detailed, and precise as possible to get the output that you want. Let's try another quick one here, and I will ask for create a cinematic photorealistic of a cabin surrounded by foliage. Oh, it's a little dark. All right, that looks pretty good. A little spooky. I'm going to regenerate and see what it does. A couple of things to keep in mind about creating images with Perplexity. The mobile application does not let you create images. However, you can open a browser and go to Perplexity AI within your web browser, Chrome, Brave, whatever you use on your phone, and that has the same interface as this desktop. Another sort of strange thing is that they don't allow commercial use of the images that you generate here. So if you're going to do something for commercial use, you want to use something like ChatGPT, DALL-E, in which case you would be able to use them. You'd have full rights to it. Not sure why they have this limitation, but it's just something to be aware of. Another thing to be aware of with Perplexity is it's going to, based on the prompt that you give it, select which of the image generation models to use to create that image. But you can change that. I'm clicking over here on my account, and I'm going to go into Preferences, and I'm going to select at the bottom here, Image Generation Model. And you can see that it uses GPT Image 1, Flux 1, which is good for photorealistic pictures, and DALL-E 3. By default, it will just pick a model based on your prompt. However, you can select for it to always use GPT Image 1, Flux 1, or DALL-E 3. So if I select that here, and then I could put in a prompt, it's going to just use Flux. And that's it. That's how to generate high-quality images directly within Perplexity AI.